Right now, Roblox Shorts are exploding. Some channels get millions of views and creators are making thousands a month. Look, millions of views, every video. And the videos look like this.
If I was the CEO of Roblox, listen up. This is what's happening. Rule number 1, Robux are now free.
The best part? It's super easy and free to start. Honestly, this is by far the easiest method for getting started with shorts at the moment. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to make these rant shorts. One manual, and one fully automated with AI. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. By the end, you'll be ready to create your first viral short. So without further ado, let's show you step by step how you can easily create such videos. Step 1. Record your visuals. This is super simple. Just open Roblox, play for a few minutes, and record your screen. Even a short session will give you enough footage for multiple videos. Once that's ready, we move on to the real magic. Step 2. Find a viral topic and write a script. The key to going viral is talking about something trending and relatable. But instead of coming up with ideas manually, I built a custom Gemini GAM, trained on the top channels in this niche designed specifically to find viral niche online and generate ideas and scripts for you. Check the Google Docs link in my video description and copy the custom instruction prompt. Now open the Gemini on your browser, click on the Explorer Gems button, and click on New Gem. Now enter a name like Roblox Rant. Add a short description, pass the instructions here and save. That's it. Now tell it to give me 10 ideas. It will analyze the trending topics online and show you 10 ideas. Then choose the topic you want and send it to him. Within seconds, it will give you a complete viral script on the topic of your choice. Step 3. Create a voiceover. To make a voiceover, you'll need text-to-speech software. I recommend 11 Labs since it has the exact voices used in these videos. Select the Atom voice, paste in your script, tweak settings if you want, then generate and download your audio. Step 4. Edit your video. For the editing, I'm using CapCut, but you can use any others. First, import your Roblox gameplay and your voiceover into the timeline. 11 Labs. Voices often include long pauses, so trim them for better pacing. Select all the audio, right-click your mouse, and create a compound clip. Now here's the secret to matching the viral voice style. You must change the speed of the voiceover throughout. Start by speeding the entire voiceover up to 130% and enable the pitch button. This gives it the fast, energetic feel you're looking for.
Rule number 1, Robux are now free. Everyone get...
Then, slow down certain punchlines to around 80% for emphasis, especially at the hook. Step 5. Add sound design. Okay, this time we need background music. To create background music, open Gemini and tell him to give me a prompt to create background music with Suno. Then, Gemini will give you a complete prompt to generate the music. Now copy the prompt and go to Suno AI and create music for your video. After downloading the music, drop your music under the voiceover and adjust the volume so that it is not annoying to hear. Okay, next, add sound effects. For the sound effects, again go back to the Gemini and tell him to give me sound effects for the full script. Gemini will give you complete instructions on what type of sound effects to use on which line. Just collect all the sound effects and add them to your video. Anytime there's a punchline, add one, especially the famous Vine boom. You'll find all the SFX links in my video description. Step 6. Add captions. Captions boost retention like crazy. Use your editing program's auto-caption tool. Change the font style you like and adjust the position. That's it. Export your video and publish it on YouTube. But wait, this is a long process, right? But don't worry, the Learn Up is here. I found a great solution for you. I searched online and discovered an amazing AI automation tool that can turn 1 hour of work into just 1 minute. With this tool, you can easily create more than 50 videos per day. So let's jump right in and see how you can get started. The tool I'm talking about is VSUB AI. It's a very simple website. You'll find the link in the video description. After clicking the link, the first thing you need to do is sign up with your Gmail account. Once your account is created, you'll see a clean interface with several tools. Since I'm making a Roblox Rant video, I'll select the first tool. Click on the Import Script button to upload your video script. Paste the script you created using Gemini, then click Import. VSUB AI will automatically separate all the sentences for you. Now scroll down and click Create Video. The tool will analyze your entire script and generate the AI voice and captions within a few seconds. Great. We're already 80% done. Now let's complete the remaining part. At first, a default video is added automatically, but you must use your own video. Otherwise, you could face copyright issues.
If I was the CEO of Roblox, listen up. This is what's happening. Rule number 1, Robux are now free.
Click on the Video tab to upload your footage. Then click Upload Video and drag your file in. Once it's uploaded, select your video. After that, go back to the Settings tab to customize the entire video. First, Voice Changer. Here you can change the voice of specific words. But if you want to change the voice for the entire video, go to Settings on the dashboard and click Add Voice to create a new one. Second, Captions. From here you can customize your captions, text, size, padding, and more. Third, Layout. Use this section to customize images and GIFs. Fourth is Content. That is most important. This is where you can add emojis, images, GIFs, and even upload your own footage. Now let's add some hooks to keep viewers engaged, like this.
If I was the CEO of Roblox, listen up. This is what's happening.
First, select a word where you want to add a hook. You can upload images, GIFs, and videos. All resource links are in the video description. Adjust the offset and scale, then choose a sound effect. VSUB AI includes some viral sound effects, and you can also upload your own. Use the same process to add hooks throughout the whole video. I'm fast-forwarding this part. Emojis are added automatically when generating the video, but you can change them anytime or upload your own. Once everything is ready, the final step is adding music. Go to the Music tab, click the Upload icon, and upload your audio. Adjust the volume so it blends well with the voiceover, ideally between 15 and 20. And that's it. Your video is ready to download. Click the download icon, select your preferred video format and frame rate, and then click download again to render the final video. Here are some videos I created using VSUB AI.
If I was the CEO of Roblox, listen up. This is what's happening. Rule number 1, Robux are now free. Everyone gets 10,000 Robux deposited into their account every single Monday. Go crazy! Buy everything! We print the money now. Rule number 2, I'm installing a new giant no-lag zone over every popular server. Your ping will never exceed 10 minutes, even if your Wi-Fi is powered by a potato. Enjoy buttery smooth gameplay. Rule number 3, all limited edition, rare, and overpriced items from the past decade are being re-released for just 1 Robux each for a 24-hour flash sale. Yes, even the Dominus. Rule number 4, we're adding a drama button to every game. Press it to instantly teleport to the most chaotic, funny, or argument-filled part of the server. No more boring lobbies. Rule number 5, any developer that makes a game that genuinely makes me laugh out loud gets a prize. That prize? They get to design the next official Roblox logo, and 1,000,000 Robux, obviously. Rule number 6, the oof sound is back, but it's now customizable. You can set your death sound to anything you want. A sad trombone, a cat noise, or your mom shouting. Rule number 7, every player that has been on Roblox for more than 5 years gets a legendary founder badge and a free golden glowing version of their favorite old item.
And that's how you can create viral Roblox Rant shorts from scratch. If you want more tutorials like this, AI tools, automation tricks, and viral video methods, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you have any video ideas you want me to cover next, comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.